在肥培管理上，我们针对缺铁现象的最终报告，那比较7月23号跟8月13号的情况。初期我们排除了 pH 值偏高跟伤根的问题，对其他可能的原因，水分的部分减少 15%， 那一周水肥只给5天，2天停止供给。这因指责早上10点到下午2点。自制易肥因为我们有加了海藻粉，有很多微量元素。接下来是英文。This final report to resolve iron deficiency issue. Reduce water by 15%. Water in the fertilizer was stopped for 2 days a week. To increase sunlight exposure, to shield only between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Homemade fertilizer was increased by 25%. Due to seaweed powder was added to increase more trace elements. Thanks, bye.